So today I decided to clean the interior of the GTR since, you know, there's nothing else to do. I'm going to start with cleaning off the suede steering wheel. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, you know, from hand oils, and suede is worn out. I've had the steering wheel for about 5 years now, and I've never actually cleaned the suede, so I think it's time. So I don't have much products, so I'm just going to use whatever I have at home. Over here I found this brush. They're mostly shoe cleaning products, so I'm going to use this brush to clean off the dirt first, and then add some suede renovator on it, and then wipe it off again. Brush it off and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. I'm going to start cleaning off the seats, leather, try to refresh the red on the sides here, and try to just bring it back to life as much as possible. Start with gently, cleaning off any dirt. You see some dust flying out, so very gently, circular motion. Next I'm going to use this suede renovator for shoes, but that's all I have right now. I'm going to try it off in a small spot, just in case it doesn't work out. I think that's a bit too much, but let's see. Use that same brush again. To let it dry off a bit. The bottom part, I'm gonna try to use shine sponge. Comes with some product inside. It's for shoes again. But let me try and use that on there. Oh, you can see it's instantly shiny. Huh? Top part too. And use the same thing on the seats. Might as well do this too. Okay, yes, this is very dirty. This was very red, and now it's kind of like gray. It's just there's nothing else I can do right now.